Hello again, this is part 2 of the video, and here I'm going to explain the building program of the indicator. So what it does is a mixture of natural build coded um, indicator and among others are customized indicators to give you the full experience, and also you can use them to catch up to your strategies, to enhance your strategies, especially for people who use technical analysis. What I mean about technical analysis, again, I talk about your trend lines, I talk about your double bottom, I talk about your head and shoulders. You can use those also. So this indicator will enhance your trading. So what happens is, this is how it looks like, meaning it has a built-in signal provider for US 30 and for NASDAQ, and this providing signal is accurate for 1 day. So meaning the following day it might change and give you a new signal, but for a particular day that you open the indicator, that will be the signal it gave that you need to follow. And also it has what we call the momentum state of price. Now this is so important for scalpers out there. When you scalp, you need to know your price momentum. Right now you see the price momentum is weak and the market has opened, and look, you can't scalp this, it's moving so slow. This is a 50-minute chart, you can't even scalp it, it's moving so slow. So this is what it tells you: the price momentum is weak, therefore you cannot scalp, yet. So wait for it to be strong, then that's when you'll see those huge bars going shooting up, then you use it. And then we have what you call these two borderlines. These two borderlines help you with at the end of the highest candle. So let's say you see we have multiple large candles here. When it breaks this line, it tells you that there's a possibility that this candle, the momentum it goes with, is coming to an end. So you need to look out for the reversal, and then that's what actually happened. These candles, when it breaks here, this serves as your base of the lowest trend of your momentum. So meaning the lower of your momentum, this is the highest momentum of candles. So when it breaks here, it kind of tells you that this is coming to an end. So we might look for a reversal, and then look what happened. It came with a reversal. When it broke here, it kind of tells you that this might come to an end. You have to look for a reversal, and it gives you. So this is an indication of when we're looking for the best point to enter a mini reversal, in a capital or in a quotation marks, mini reversal, because this is a mini reversal. So when you swing also you can use this, but then now here we're focusing on scalpers. Then I'll do the swinging trading on the next video, but here we're talking about scalpers. So this is what just tells you that if it breaks here, you might look for a reversal, but you need more confirmation for that. You don't rely on this alone. This just enhances your setups. And then number 2, we have what we call these little guys here. These little guys are so important, guys. I cannot stress how important these little guys are. These little guys, they kind of give you the first confirmation of a reversal or first confirmation of a buy. These little guys are powerful. So here, like let's say you come to this, oh okay, sorry, we are here. You see it closed green, and then here it closed red. When it closed red, this little guy tells you to, okay, this is a setup for a sell. So sometimes it doesn't show up, and when it doesn't show up, it tells you no, don't enter. this is continuing as a buy, but when it shows up, it confirms, so dude, look, this is a setup for a sell, go down. And then you're gonna enter here, but you don't just enter. When you enter, you need these little guys here. These levels are so important. So for instance, let's come here at the level 0. You see here it denotes a buy or a sell. So little guy here told us, dude, look, we're buying now. So when it tells we're buying, the buy is already here. Say, dude, we're buying here. So already we have a confirmation that this is a level for buying. Here it says buy or sell, but now we're going up. This little dude told us to go up. We need to buy, and then we bought. And then also this little guy, this snake here, told us that, okay, look, this trend came to an end. Now we have to look for a reversal. And this broke, this confirmed, this level confirmed, we buy. And then you scalp this thing. You take your first profit there, take your second profit there. You're done. That's how these guys work. So important. So on the next video, I'm gonna trade in real time and show you how it's done. And sorry about the sounds my laptop does. I need a microphone, guys. Sorry about that.